Building an online course doesn't have to take months. With the right plan, you can create, launch, and start selling your course in just 30 days. In this video, I'll break down a simple step-by-step plan to help you create your first online course in just 1 month, even if you're starting from scratch. Week 1, choose and validate your course topic. Before creating anything, make sure your course solves a real problem and that people will pay for it. Pick a specific transformation, not just information. Ask your audience or do market research to validate demand. Pre-sell your course to ensure there's interest before building. If people are already searching for solutions and paying for similar courses, you're on the right track. Week 2, outline and plan your course content. Once your topic is locked in, it's time to map out your course structure. Break your course into 4-6 main modules or steps. Keep lessons short and actionable, 5-15 minutes max. Decide what content you'll include, videos, PDFs, quizzes, or live sessions. A strong course outline keeps you organized and prevents overwhelm. Week 3, record and upload your course lessons. This is where you bring your course to life. Batch record all your videos in 1 or 2 days. Use simple tools like Zoom, Loom, or your phone camera. Don't overcomplicate it. Upload content to Kajabi, Teachable, or another course platform. Don't aim for perfection, just focus on delivering value. Week 4, set up your sales page and start selling. Now that your course is ready, it's time to start marketing and making sales. Build a simple sales page highlighting the transformation your course offers. Send emails and promote your course on social media, YouTube, and Facebook groups. Consider offering a fast action discount or bonuses for early buyers. By the end of 30 days, your course will be live and making sales. Launch your course in 30 days. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's your biggest challenge in creating your first course? And if you need help structuring your course, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to start building your course, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to create, host, and sell your course easily. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go create and launch your course in just 30 days.